What's good, chat niggas? We back with another video. Let's get straight into it. The 40 laws of power. Uh, number 44, right? Yeah. So, what does it say? It's talking about the power of mirroring. So, what is mirroring? Mirroring is basically like copying someone. So, like, if someone copy the way I talk, excuse me, someone talks the way I talk, walks the way I walk, dresses the way I walk, dresses the way I dress, he does his hair the same way I do my hair. That's mirroring. So what does it say about mirroring? Mirroring your enemies is a neutralizing effect because they feel what like you understand them because like you will understand them because like if you do what someone if you could be someone for a long time you understand his psychology. You can actually get his psychology like, oh, he's doing this because of XYZ. So if XYZ is the factor can be affected, how can we turn XYZ to an advantage? All right. So let's continue. Say sometimes with hard-headed people, mirroring their actions puts them in perspective without you even having to argue with them. And you argue your case, and we both know that we like discovered two laws that says never argue with words but with actions, or you be symbolic. You know what I'm saying? This goes back into it. It's the second time it's doing that. So, but you have to understand that mirroring uh, where you're copying someone, you're relying on someone, and someone may not be as educated as you are, because you can think ahead, but if you're marrying someone that thinks now, you mess up, you limit your options too. That's why it's very important to understand that okay, marrying is only up to like can only go up so far, right? And yeah, that's it. Like, comment below, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.